Hey, Freddie! Alright, you ain't got to worry about Freddie having kids.
Yeah, Fred!
The frog ain't spitting no tadpoles out.
Oh my God, he dropped the shoe.
Freddie! Be careful you don't drop your shoe! Dive! Dive! Hey, David!
No.
Almost him was big.
No, but when he was
That's how many more times you can crack your nuts, Freddie. Freddie, you got wood between your legs.
First time.
Styrofoam cup, Fred, grab it! Grab it, styrofoam cup, quick!
It's environmentally unsound.
Freddie, I know you ain't had a girlfriend for a while, but that tree ain't looking that good. Not in the past. Oh!
Hey!
We gotta go buy him a flag tomorrow, John.
Freddie, take a bow! Take a bow!
Sorry, man. I think I was wrong. I don't have
Freddie, Terry's on the other side peeing.
I'm just so glad to do that. Oh my God, Fred.
Now you gotta stand there for an hour and pick up trash.
Hey, Freddie, I lied about the quarters.
He just threw the quarters in on the other side. You should catch him soon. I don't have one on me. What? A raft? No.
Ripping faster and harder when he went down. Look. He's going a lot faster when he went down.
Oh, Freddie, that current getting a little stronger, ain't it?
It's getting deeper now.
Okay, let's go.